Tech Check. There is a new player in the social media game, but our question we're throwing on the table today, is it worth leaving Facebook or Instagram for? Desert News columnist Amy Iverson is here to tell us more about the app Vero and share her tested and valued opinion. Thanks for being here. I texted you about this last week because there was huge hype. Like overnight, it jumped the charts on the App Store.
Yeah, and if you're on Instagram, a lot of my followers were saying, hey, come join me on Vero, and trying to pull people over there. And so, yes, I'm glad you wanted to. We had to find out about it because it was a big thing last week.
Uh-oh, is that the catch?
Yeah.
It's already fizzled?
Yeah, a little bit.
Really? Mm-hmm. What were people initially drawn to or attracted to about this app?
Okay, so Vero is just similar to Instagram. It's very photo heavy. You can do entertainment reviews on there, movie reviews, book reviews, location reviews, and then your photos. And the big draw was a couple of things. One is they promised they would never do ads. Okay, you also have to remember Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. None of those ever had ads at the first.
Haven't we heard that promise before?
I don't know if they ever promised it, but they all started with no ads. Also, they said your privacy, they would never sell your information to advertisers. And then the final thing was they said, we know you hate the algorithm of Instagram now. Instagram now put your things in the order that they think you'd like to see. It's not chronological. It drives me crazy.
It drives me nuts too. And I have to tell you, I am socially getting caught in traps every day because I'm seeing things that I think happened just yesterday.
Yeah. It's like 5 days ago.
Yes, and I'm feeling so socially behind.
So they said, we are doing chronological. And so a lot of people were like, let's go, let's all get over there. So of course we all had to decide, were we going to go?
And interesting enough, it's been around for a long time.
It's been around a couple of years. It's really, and you'll notice that when you scroll through who's on there, it's a lot of cosplay people, a lot of tattoo artists. They like the visual component of it.
Okay.
And so they were kind of pushing people over there. It went from total obscurity, I mean, not even in the top 1,500 in the app stores early in February, to #1 in the Google Play and the App Store.
That's crazy.
That was last week. This week, it's already kind of down in the 80s. So it was kind of like a flash, and people you'll already see a lot of columns, people going, how do I delete Vero?
Oh no.
So I joined up because I wanted to know what it was about. I saw you on there.
I joined because I thought I had to hurry and grab my username.
You don't need a username.
Yeah, okay.
So what it does is it says, hey, let us check your Facebook friends, your contacts to find people you know.
Yeah.
I have 1,600 contacts on my phone list in my phone. Guess how many were on there?
Well, I know I was
You
on.
were. There were 9 people.
Oh gosh.
Okay, and so I started following just some verified accounts just to have fun with it.
Check it out.
I'm not impressed.
Okay.
I think it's a flash in the pan.
Really? Didn't impress you was the...
Well, nobody's on there, and people are not joining in droves like you would think. They did get 3 million people on there, though, and so they were having huge issues last week. You couldn't comment. It was slow. It was glitchy. They're saying, oh, you can keep having it free, because eventually they say they're going to charge like a subscription to it. But it's been so glitchy, they're like, oh, we're not going to charge you yet.
All right, so Vero's not it. What do you think? Where do we stand now as far as social media and appeal?
Well, it's interesting because some new results just came out. Facebook is still by far the champion for, we always say for everyone, right? Older people, but actually that key 18 to 24 demographic, Facebook is still the most used social media, which is surprising to me.
That surprises me too.
Snapchat's right below them, unlike with grown-ups, like older people.
Yeah.
But it's going to take a lot to kill Facebook. Facebook is expected to lose about 2 million in that younger demographic over the next year. But even, I mean, they have 214 million users. The next closest, I think, is Instagram with 85 million. So even if Instagram loses 100 million followers, it's not going to even be the same.
Still interesting to see. I still feel like something might be coming with the whole algorithm and I just don't know that people are totally sold on where it's at.
I think what Instagram needs to do is what Facebook has done and give you that option.
Yeah.
Do you want it how we think you like it, or do you want it chronologically? And then I think they're a winner.
All right, you gonna write this up in your column?
Yes, desertnews.com/Amy.
Thanks for checking it out for us. We always value your opinion.